Hey guys, happy Saturday. I thought I'd do a comparison between the four baritones. That's the three color that I got. And what is it? The Cordoba, of course. So anyway, I'll start with the Cordoba. So this is the one with the cedar top, solid cedar top. I find that it's got a very thin neck. See how different the thickness of the neck compared to the Kala? Really is a difference. So it takes a little bit to get used to. I'll try to play the same tune and see what you think. So that's the Cordoba 24B with the solid cedar top. This is the Kala acacia. So that's the acacia. This is the color mahogany. And lastly, this is the color spruce. So this got a solid spruce top and laminated back. But the thickness of the neck is the same for all the colors. So they're a lot thicker than the Cordoba. So that's the four baritones. What do you think?